Using your own image in Leonardo AI is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then, search here for Leonardo.ai. Now click to open its site. Once you get into its site, tap to launch app. So, to launch the app, you need to enter your name, email, and click on Count Me In. Once you get into your account, click on AI Image Generator from the dashboard. Then, scroll down in the dashboard and tap to upload your image here. So, select the photo you want to upload, then turn on the photo reel option from the top of the dashboard. You can also change the input dimension and everything, then tap to upload the image. Now tap on the search bar and search Formula 1 Racer. Or you can search for anything in here. Then, you can see your own image generated by the AI according to your instructions. Now pass other instructions such as make her a wildlife photographer, then turn off the photo reel and click to generate an image. Then, you can see your image generated by Leonardo according to your instructions.